what's up, guys? I'm going to give you a video of the Honeywell Home ProSeries T6 thermostat. With these, this is a common issue whenever your thermostat is locked and you can't do anything. Can't do anything with it. So what you want to do is you want to hit the lock there, and it's going to ask you for a code, like a lock pin code. Now, you don't know that pin code because you're not given it, so you have to do some math. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your thermostat off the wall, and you'll see where it says serial number. If you look right there, the first 4 digits should be your number that you're going to do math with. So 2022. If you also look over here, you'll see it over here too with the little arrow. 2022. That's your number that you're going to start with, and you're going to add 2022 to 1234. And this is how you get your code to actually unlock your thermostat. So this is how you'll do it. So you'll take that 2022, do some math, add it 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes out to be 3256. That's going to be your lock pin code. So what you'll do is you'll put your thermostat back on the wall, go to it, click your lock button, and you'll enter your pin. 3, select, 2, select, 5, select, 6, select. And that unlocks your thermostat. Now you're able to go through all your settings. You're able to change your modes to emergency heat, AC, fans, all that. So there you go. That's how you unlock the T6 Honeywell Home.